Hello! In this lecture, I would like to talk about view. Click View and firstly switch to 3D or plane. Switch to 3D plane, Ctrl P on keyboard. Switch between 3D view and plane view. So click, this is the plane, and click 3D or press on keyboard Ctrl P. Okay. Now navigate, click navigate, rotate with mouse, click and click on the view and rotate. I rotate around this point. Okay, click and choose set viewpoint without rotate. So set the viewpoint. The viewpoints will be here. And now to rotate, press Ctrl on keyboard and press on the wheel of the mouse. And finally pan. Okay, so you can pan. The zoom, click zoom in, click and click zoom in. Okay, zoom out, the same concept. Zoom original, all model. Zoom previous, the previous zoom, and finally zoom selected. You can select and zoom. So zoom in and zoom selected. So zoom in, and if you choose zoom out and zoom selected, so zoom out. Now to create all views, click New View and along grid lines, create view along grid lines. Click XY all, ZY all, and XZ all, and click Create. So now grid 1, 2, 3 to 9, and grid A to E, and the plan +0, +6000 and +7200. Grid A, click and OK. So this is the grid A. 0, 6000, 7200, and from 1 to 9. Click View List. Grid 3, for example. This is the grid 3. Or Ctrl I to open view list. Okay, Ctrl I. View list. Open model view list. Ctrl I. Again. Plan +6000. To arrange all windows, click. There are many options. Cascade. Arrange all open view windows in a pile. Click. For view, can you click, or tile horizontally and tile vertically, the same now, and you can close all views. Okay, zoom in here, zoom out, whatever. Choose view 1 3D, view 2 grid A, view 3, and view 4 plan +6000. Open. To switch the windows, press Ctrl Tab. So Ctrl Tab can switch the windows. and click Windows, you can close all views, close all. So I have nothing. Click Ctrl I or View List, choose 3D and open. Choose Grid 1, Plan 0 for example, and click OK.